Hello everyone, welcome to this brief demo that will show you how you can easily install Python packages from one or multiple Python package sources reliably. So what I will do now, first I will install a tool that is called Tamos. I will do so by issuing pip install Tamos. Now, the very first step is to generate a configuration file that is generated by using Tamos config. This configuration file states hardware and software present on my machine based on automatic discovery. So here I'm running rel 8 using Python 3.6 on some CPU without any GPU. I will save this configuration file, and the next step would be to check available package indices. So here is a listing of available Python indices providing Python packages that I can consume. So what I will do, I will use two packages in my project. The very first one is Flask. So I will add it using Tamos command, Tamos add Flask. I will also use another package that is called TensorFlow, and I will use different Python package index. So instead of PyPI, the default Python package index that is used, for example, by pip, I will use AVX enabled builds of TensorFlow that are hosted on AICOE index. I will add another requirements to my application that is stating package TensorFlow coming from this Python package index. Now I can check what pip file was created based on commands that I issued. So here you can see two package sources. The first one is PyPI, the second one is AICOE index. Here you can see that there is installed Flask from the default Python index, and here you can see TensorFlow that is coming from another index. Specifically, it's coming from AICOE TensorFlow index. Now, I will disable index adjustment by stating disable index adjustment true. By default, dot can adjust package sources that are used. This is done by the recommendation engine, so it finds a better candidate for TensorFlow package coming from different Python source index. Then it will automatically adjust source configuration options so that I can consume TensorFlow package from different source index. For this demo, I don't want to do that, but rather I would like to explicitly state that I want to use TensorFlow from this index, and that's it. Okay, so now what I will do, I will ask resolver to resolve software stack. So I will issue Tamos advice, and what it will do, it will trigger the recommendation engine on the backend side, and it will automatically resolve software for my application given the requirements that I gave. Here you can see report that is generated by the recommendation engine. You can see that some packages were removed because they would cause issues during application installation. You can find more information following links in the report. But you can also spot that some packages were removed based on index configuration. So here TensorFlow was that was available on different index was not considered during the resolution because it did not obey the index configuration that I stated in pip file. Here you can see pretty verbose log. Just to double check, I can check the log file that was generated using the recommendation engine that is available in file log. And here I will search for TensorFlow, and you can see that TensorFlow is coming from this specific. I want to really make sure that the package is installed in reliable form, making sure that it's really installed from the right index. The next step is to perform Camels install that will bring all the dependencies into my environment so that they are ready to be used. This way I have reliable packages. They are coming from package sources as configured in my requirements files. This way, I would like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.